My I'm frying fish again on wood fire. You know, when I'm frying fish like this, I just remember Jamaica and my mom when she used to fry fish. But anyway, this is it. And jerk chicken pan the fire. You see this? My son-in-law make jerk chicken and so. And me I make fry fish. Oh, listen, oh, listen, me turn it. Okay, so here we go now. I'm gonna turn them. Ready to turn. Ah, beautiful, beautiful.
It start blaze again now, I have to turn it down now.
Jerk chicken on the grill. That's what I'm talking about.